I know very well what that means, Dad. Please do not show aggravation in front of my kid. Can you please?
Alam na niya.
Don't show aggravation in front of my kid.
Huwag ka makulit.
EJ.
Kung mabuti kang tao, bakit mo kami eksan?
What?
Kasunggal yan.
Why are you
Wala
deprived?
ka magpuputi.
Alright. Good for him.
Is that the way you want my kid to see me?
What do you want more?
Wala kang muto. Wala kang muto.
I want to hold him. EJ, come here. Please. I know, anak. Don't be afraid. Huwag kang matakot, ha? Gumawa si Daddy ng paraan.
Sabihin mo gusto mo.
See?
Sabihin mo na.
I don't like you, Daddy.
You mean that, anak? Kita nyo ginawa nyo? Simple brainwashing. How can you do that?
The child.
How can you do that to your grandson?
You have to
He's
teach the
your
child.
very own.
He knows what is right and what
He's
is
your
wrong.
very own, my God. How can you teach that to your grandson, to hate his own father? What kind of upbringing?
Huh? It says here, huh? Huh?
What kind of upbringing would what
Mistake in the house.
what kind of upbringing would a responsible grandparents would do to to an innocent child to brainwash
Yeah,
I
we
am
have
the
to stick to this
father.
order, okay?
I am the
You have
father.
to stick to this order.
I am the father.
Namin, malakas pa ang loob mo.
I am the father. I love you,
You
anak.
are not depriving of the right because you are
What
the
are you
father.
doing right now? You brainwashed
What
my
is here?
kid.
You brainwashed.
You brainwashed my kid to hate me. Go! Sige, tawag kayo ng police.
Did we ask him to tell what he wants
I don't
to say
know.
to you?
I haven't seen my kid for a long time.
Look,
Ha? That's inevitable na talagang magsasama loob sa akin ng bata dahil hindi niya ako nakikita. At pinapamukha ninyo na masama akong tao.
Masama ka.
O see?
Kasi kung hindi ka masama na ama, hindi mo gagawin yan.
Yung alin? Yung ididemanda ko kayo? Yung ididemanda ko kayo? Yung hindi ididemanda ko kayo? That only goes to show what kind of grandparents you are.
Ikaw, tanungin mo yung sarili mo.
you have to question that, huh? This is my dominion. You understand? Do you understand?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I have the enough evidence that I need. A couple of months ago, yung anak ko, makita pa lang yung kotse niya, nagkakandara pa na para batiin ako.
Hindi ka nga ba? Hindi magkakaroon
Ba't ganon?
dito.
Bakit ganon?
Pupunta ka dito, gaganyan ka, wala kang mundo.
Walang modo. Iniwanan ko si EJ ng cellphone. Anong ginawa niya sa cellphone niya? You deprived him of even talking to me.
Cellphone mo.
You even deprived him of talking to me. Ba't ganon?
Ano ba talaga ang gusto mo?
Ay, wala akong gustong trouble, Uncle Boy.
Sabi mo, gusto mo nakita mo na.
It's not enough.